see a boat floating for the first time in its real environment completes the picture you started in the office. We try to make it a little bit more sporty, without exaggerating in masthead, and trying to do something that can last for years and not become an old boat too fast.
You start with an idea, and after that you have to develop it as well as possible to fit to as much customer as possible. So it's always a challenge to find the best way to fit all the situation to design a boat that would be good for everyone.